Okay, just about done. Just gonna add a little print string here, to verify that it's working. Awesome, it worked. Now let's do some epic shit. It has only took me like a couple hours to make, but it should be just fine. Okay, this one I'm a little bit skeptic about. I'm about to generate the entire fucking solar system. Okay, awesome. The solar system is generated. Now we're just gonna finish booting and then transfer the dark matter that we created previously.
Fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
This public service announcement has been brought to you by Dragonsaur Studios. Who said dragons aren't just misunderstood dinosaurs?